Access all aspects of the mycelium network of affiliate marketing with Money Grub. This up-to-date and in-depth masterclass is delivered by elite marketers Kaleem Mohammed.
Hey guys, hope you're all okay. This is Kaleem from KM'z Marketing, and today I'll be giving you a quick demo video on Money Grub so that you guys can have access to all the aspects of the mycelium network of affiliate marketing with Money Grub, which is an absolute up-to-date, in-depth masterclass delivered to you by top elite marketers Mark Gossage, Justin Chase, and myself, KM'z Marketing. So I'm inside of the members area of Money Grub over here with a warm welcome video by Mark Gossage, and we've got an absolute amazing introduction on what Money Grub is all about by Mark himself. And the first tab over here is the product review video on what to say in your review video has been put together in great detail by Mark Gossage, and putting yourself on your review video is an absolute phenomenal in-depth review by Mark himself. And we've got screen recording devices over here where both the devices are absolutely free to use softwares, which are Screencast-O-Matic and OBS. So we have got an absolute amazing in-depth detail class of on how you can use both the devices by Justin and by myself, on how you can use Screencast-O-Matic, how to download it, how to set Screencast-O-Matic with your settings and get started, and the same goes with on how you can start and install and start using OBS. And over here the next tab is on how to find products to promote, which is on various affiliate marketing networks. And then we have got an in-depth video on YouTube wherein how you can add the title, on how you can upload the video on YouTube, how you can create a great attractive thumbnail and add description, and download a free software which is TubeBuddy, which will help you to monitor your YouTube ranking. And over here we have got on how you can rank your YouTube videos and account in great, in-depth, phenomenal detail by Justin Chase, and on how to grab and get an amazing audience retention, how to embed videos, and how you can add end screens, and how you can maximize engagement signals, and how you can use user-on, which no one has actually explained to you in that amazing detail, guys. And over here we have got an absolute phenomenal video by Justin on how you can do YouTube Shorts. So the next tab over here, guys, moving forward, is Munchai Calendar, wherein you can find amazing offers from 3 top affiliate marketplaces, which are Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and obviously ClickBank. So on how you can find and how you can save that to your calendar has been explained by myself. And over here we have got Warrior Plus, and how you can create an account on Warrior Plus, and how you can ask for approval for the products that you would like to promote. And the same goes with JVZoo over here on how you can create an account and how to promote a product from a JVZoo platform. And over here Mark has explained in great, exceptional, phenomenal detail on how you can create a bonus page, which is very important. And over here why to create a bonus page has been explained to you in great detail by Mark Gossage himself. And over here we've got Commission Gorilla in-depth video on Commission Gorilla, or why to use Commission Gorilla, how important it is for you to use Commission Gorilla for your offers and for your promotions, and to get that audience retention on your bonus page. So on how you can build an absolute phenomenal bonus page from scratch has been explained to you by Mark in great detail again, and on how you can add the CTA button and countdown timer, and the same goes with the editing your background and adding the product images, details, and OTOs, which are upsells explained to you in phenomenal detail by Mark himself. And then we have got the video on bonus thumbnails, which are very, very important. And then we have got how you can keep things legal, and SEO and final checks, which are very, very important, obviously, and adding your bonuses, on how you can add your bonuses on your Commission Gorilla on your bonus page over here. And then we have got the cloning and editing. Obviously, we all know that we need to clone the sales page, and it's very important for your sales page to look like for your bonus page to look like the sales page, guys. So over here, then we have got an absolute amazing video on Chrome extensions and softwares. Mark has explained in great detail which Chrome extensions are very, very crucial and important, and softwares, free softwares, obviously, to download, and even paid softwares wherein you will have to pay a very nominal fees to get access to. So over here we have got the case studies by real-time real users, and we've got a case study wherein you can watch these case studies, and we have got the next tab for upgrades. So inside upgrades we have got Larva, which is the first upgrade, which is actually a social booster system, and we've got the second OTO as the Caterpillar, an absolute amazing, phenomenal. Snapchat has approximately 370 million daily active users who are also online shoppers, wherein we do not know about it. So we have tapped into that phenomenal niche bracket and explained in great detail on how you can start banking in by using those platforms in great detail, guys. And we have got the third OTO, which is an absolute phenomenal upgrade of Evolve, and we have got the Cocoon, which is the fourth OTO, and fifth OTO is Butterfly, wherein you can officially be a product vendor with us. So that is it, guys, and we have got a few more bonuses over here absolutely free once you grab Money Grub, and you will have access to all these bonuses absolutely free from the vendors, from ourselves. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very, very much, and we'll see you inside the members area of Money Grub. You guys take care, have a good one, and see you inside. Bye.